Hello, I'm Joe Teague, portfolio manager at Equity Armor Investments. I am the portfolio manager of the Rational Equity Armor Fund and the Catalyst Hedge Equity Fund. This is the trading zone. We're having a preview this morning. We'll be live at noon Eastern time while you're grabbing your lunch. So make sure you turn into that for the market's lost moment. We'll be talking about how all year long I've been talking about all these catalysts for the market. I was talking about the big, beautiful bill, all these trade deals that we're going to get done, talking about peace around the world. Hopefully that's coming soon. Also talking about the Fed cutting rates. So in April, when the market was on a relative low, it made sense to think, oh, there's all these catalysts coming forward. Maybe we can rally. Now we're coming up to September. The Fed's about to cut rates. Does that mean the catalysts are gone and now it's already priced in? And where is the rally going to come from next? Well, obviously it's going to have to come from earnings. So we'll see how that plays out. Be very interesting to see. Real quickly, before we go away, just want to talk about some trading this morning, just looking at volatility. Of course, you know that's what I do. Former VIX market maker. We're going to dive deep into this in our noon show. But yeah, we're having a little bit of a tick up in volatility, nothing huge, major. We're seeing a very small rotation out of growth into some of the small cap names, into some of the value names. You know, United Health, of course, having a big jump up. I don't know if we can look too much into that. It had such a huge downtick prior. But I want to really focus in on the MOVE index. Yes, we're going to be having the beige book this week. We talked about this 2 weeks ago, how the lower this goes, the higher PE ratios go. We're kind of getting at a point where, you know, the bigger you are, the harder you fall situation. So we're watching that very closely. Make sure you tune in. I'll be live noon Eastern. I'll have a trade of the week. I'll have all the rest of the things moving the market this week. So I can't wait to see you then.
You know how the financial world goes. Here comes the buzzkill. Please make sure to take some time to read this boring disclaimer. We will owe you one.